Welcome. If you've been getting constant reminder notifications from Instagram and want to turn them off, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to disable those reminders directly from your phone settings. It's quick, easy, and will give you back control over your notifications. First, unlock your phone and open the Main Settings app. This is where you manage all your apps and their permissions. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Instagram from the list of apps. This will open Instagram's specific settings page. Here, you can customize how Instagram behaves on your phone, including notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where Instagram's notification options are grouped. You'll see various categories of notifications that Instagram sends, such as likes, comments, messages, and reminders. Look for the option called Notification Categories, or something similar, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to see a detailed breakdown of all notification types Instagram can send you. Under these categories, find the one labeled Reminders. This is the setting responsible for those persistent reminder notifications that pop up even when you don't want them. Simply toggle off the Reminders option. Once switched off, Instagram will no longer send you reminder notifications, giving you a quieter and less distracting experience. And that's it. By following these steps, going to Phone Settings, selecting Apps, choosing Instagram, tapping Notifications, then Notification Categories, and finally toggling off Reminders, you can easily stop those unwanted Instagram reminders. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you want to turn the reminders back on or adjust other notification preferences. Taking control of your notifications helps you stay focused and enjoy social media on your terms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and updates.